Foster here with Maximum Change Business Coaching. So happy to be with you. Really excited because I want to give you some nuts and bolts today on how to start a business. And really, I want to give you a step-by-step of the 5 essential things that you're going to need to start your business. And so I want to jump right into them right now and give them to you. And I want to talk to you about them because I'm really excited. My main passion is to help people start businesses. That's what I'm here for. That's what I love doing. And so let me just jump right in. The very first thing that you're going to need is a business plan. Now, I have this love-hate relationship with business plans. And really the reason why I have this love-hate relationship is because I think many times people misunderstand the purpose of a business plan. They think that they have to get a business plan, they have to have it perfect before they can get launched, and that isn't the case. A business plan is basically a plan of how you're going to run your business, and it gives you essential elements like the marketing, how you're going to operate the business, the financial aspect. There's different elements to it. If you're interested, I do have a series of videos that walks you through step by step on how to build a business plan, and I even give you a template where you can write your own business plan. It's a Microsoft Word template. So if you're interested in that, head over to my website at MaximumChange.com and join the free membership area, and you'll get access to all the training materials we have there. But a business plan is really essential for you to kind of know where you are starting from and where you want to go. It gives you some insights into what you're going to be doing as a business. Now, number 2, you need to obtain products or secure the process by which you're going to provide services. This is an essential element to building your business, to have your product. How are you going to get your product? Is it something that you're going to drop ship, or is it a physical product that you're manufacturing and you're going to have cases of it and you're going to ship it out as the orders come in? You have to obtain the product somehow. What are your services if you're a service provider? What are the services that you're going to give? And how are you going to provide those services to the customer? So it's really important you think that through. And a lot of this information you'll find comes out of your business plan itself. Number 3, you need to set up a website. Now, this is the scariest thing for a lot of people. Setting up a website is not easy for a lot of people because they've just not done it before. But I'm going to tell you, there are products out there. All you need to do is go to the magic portal of google.com and type in there website programs, and you can or website providers, and you can find a whole host of different providers there. The one that I use is Wix.com, Wix.com. And again, if you go over to my website at MaximumChange.com, I do, under the membership area, I do have a list of different products that I recommend. Wix is one of those, Wix.com. And I do use that from my website. So when you go to MaximumChange.com, you can see the type of website you can build. And it's a drag and drop. It's really easy. Now, if you want to get a little more complex, you can get into WordPress and some of those other websites. But it's essential that you have a website presence. Now, do you absolutely need a website? At some point, yes. But you can get started by just using Facebook pages, Facebook groups, or a Facebook group page. You can use those to get started, but at some point you really should have a web domain name and a website. It's really essential. So when you're setting up a website, keep in mind that includes the domain name. What are you going to call your website? My website's called MaximumChange.com, and I have another website called FoundryCoaching.com. And that Foundry Coaching is really the essence of what we're doing here is founding businesses and growing them. Number 4, fulfillment requirements. How are you going to fill the orders? How are you going to provide the service? You have to have some sort of process in place to do that. So fulfillment is really key to how you're going to take the product from the order and deliver it to the customer. Is it going to be a physical location where they come in and get that product, or are you shipping it out through a website? If you're doing a service, how are you providing that service? For me, I provide my services through Zoom.com or Zoom.us rather. And so I'm using technology to work with my customers. And then finally, launch. It's no sense in building all of this out if you're not going to actually start your business. And I'm going to tell you right now, I did a video yesterday. Don't get caught up in perfectionism. You're not going to have everything just right when you get started. The truth is, you need to just get started, because a lot of what you're going to figure out, a lot of what you're going to learn is learned by just doing. You're going to have to do in order to learn. So launch your business. I tell people to get started sooner than later. Even if everything's not perfect. Now, obviously, you need some things in place. You're not going to sell a widget if you don't have access to those widgets. So you do need to make sure that you have access to the product that you're selling, or otherwise you become a scam. And we don't want that to happen, right? So launch your business and get it out there. Get your products, get your services out there. Be proud of it. Be bold. Be strong. And get out there. Again, you don't need a website to get started. You're going to need one at some point, but you can get started just with a Facebook page. That's all you need to get started and start getting people to start following you. That's what I do here. I like to give out information that helps people to build and grow their businesses. If you're looking to start your business, then you're in the right place. So hope you're having a great day today. I do want to encourage you, if you like what you've seen here, will you please like this video? If you're following us on the podcast, like the podcast, follow us. By all means, share our material. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. Bye-bye.